Have you ever almost finished a super cool AI video? Then boom, no credits. Or worse, you just wanted to fix a small detail, but the platform asked you to pay to edit it. Yeah, I was in that situation too. And after a lot of trial and error, today I'm going to show you a way to create an animated AI video from photos completely free. No need to pay, and the quality is amazing. This is a brand new AI tool working similar to Runway, Pika, or Face. But the difference is, you just need to upload a photo, write a short prompt, and AI will automatically create a super smooth 10-second video for you. And what I like best, it's not 100% free. You can create videos with characters turning their heads, blinking, POV camera effects, cinema, everything. I tested it with a few photos, and it was really unexpected. The number of platforms is not paid. Now, I will guide you step by step to take advantage of this tool without spending a penny. First, you go to the toolbar, type Degen.ai, click on the website named Degen.ai. The interface is very simple, similar to Runway or Pika. Here you will see many sample videos created by other users. You can watch it for inspiration or learn how to write prompts. Sometimes you just need to change a small detail to get the video that you need. And you see, the motion effect is extremely smooth, no different from viral videos on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Okay, now I will do it step by step with you so it's easier to visualize. First, look up at the top right corner of the screen, click on the small avatar icon, then select Continue with Google to log in with your Gmail account. Just choose an account and you're done. No need to fill in anything complicated. While you're logging in, if you find this video useful, then give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextGen AI Lab channel. Every week, I share the latest AI tools, super easy ways to make money online, and tips to automate work intelligently. And the good news is, each new account will be given 300 free credits, equivalent to creating about 10 AI videos without spending a dime. A great deal, right? Now I will guide you on how to make the most of these credits. After registering, you will enter the main interface. Now you can click Create New Video. On the left frame, there will be an Upload Photo button. I will choose a pre-prepared photo. For example, I use a photo of a cat driving a car. Sounds a bit strange, but quite fun. You can use a photo of a person, a virtual character, AI art, etc. Next is the prompt section. That is, you describe the movement you want. If you don't know what to write, you can use the Prompt Suggestions section below. It will automatically fill in the form for you. When finished, choose a 5-second video, free, or 10 seconds, paid. Click the Generate button and wait for the AI to process. About 1 to 2 minutes to complete. In the meantime, you can scroll down to the comments section below this video and leave questions or ideas. I will answer them all. The video is rendered. Look, with just a simple prompt, the cat driving the car has very natural movements. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, share, and subscribe for more AI tools and smart content tips. See you in the next one.